everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is time to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. I got a lot of good things that are new that I haven't gotten in a while, and some easy freebies, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. So my goal and your guys' goal is to finish level 4 every single month. A lot of you guys tell me that you never hit certain levels until you guys, started watching my channel, until you guys became Ibotta friends with me. Now, if you guys want to be on my team, you guys can look down below. It's actually down below a little bit more. There it says for Ibotta friends only. You guys can send me your friend request, and you guys can be on my Ibotta team. What you do is just make sure your Facebook's connected, and you guys get to be on the same team with me. If you guys haven't joined Ibotta, I highly definitely recommend it. This is my by far favorite app. I just hit $4,000. I've gotten $4,000 just from that app alone. I think I was reading like my Facebook like a year or so ago, and I think it was a year ago, and I only had like 1,000, but I really push my Ibotta hauls, and I've already gotten 4,000 bucks. Isn't that crazy? So you guys can do it too, as long as you just keep doing it and doing it. But I just want to say, if you guys friend request me, I do check out your guys' profile. You have to live in America because Ibotta is only available. I have people who friend request me all around the country, and if I see you not living in the United States, I will not accept you because you guys are weird. And if you guys see me decline you for a friend request, and then you do it again and I decline you, just send me a message, because I've gotten some real winners friend requesting me. This one guy, his friend requested me 3 times and I've denied him, but he keeps getting a new profile. It's like I deny him, he gets a new profile, deny him, new profile. It's like, dude, leave me alone. You don't have Ibotta. You're just a single man. I'm sorry, I'm married, I'm happily married, and I have children. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but it's like I get some of the real weirdos. It's like, get a life and find somebody else. Okay, I know, I'm just imagine how many people watched my video that are weirdos, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys. One thing I do want to mention to you guys is the Coupon Addict t-shirt. Available 1 day left. It ends July 10th at midnight. There is a countdown on how many times or how much you guys have left. If you guys haven't ordered, order it. They'll no longer be available. I will be designing a new shirt sometime in the near future, maybe around Christmas time, so you guys can look at something like that. But yes, just make sure you guys get your shirts in, because they're no longer going to be available. No more. But let's just dig in and I can show you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is this chocolate drink. It is Bolthouse Farms chocolate drink. This was $1.94. You guys would pay $1.94 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 94 cents. And it says it's a protein shake. It's probably just like a chocolate milk, not really a milk, but you know what? For $1, I'll try it. Why not? I ended up doing the Tic Tac deal. Now, I didn't have those coupons in time, so I ended up printing them from smartsource.com, but right when I got home, I got all my coupons in the mail. What are you trying to do?
Nothing.
Okay. So these were $1.14. Now, when these became a $1 rebate on Ibotta, I went crazy. I was going to Walmart every day because I wanted to stack up on these. These are what the kids are getting for trick or treat this year. But these were $1.14.
Mommy, I want to go to Chicken Feed first.
Okay, but these were $1.14. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would just pay 64 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 14 cents, and I think that's a great deal. Plus, you guys can, this is 3 different rebates, so definitely do that if you guys can do that deal. I ended up getting the Biotene dry mouth oral rinse. It's like a mouthwash. This was $3.47. No, honey. You guys want to use a $1.50 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $1.97 for this. Benjamin,
this is for Dad.
Okay, that's for Dad. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta. Plus, you guys can also, if you guys submitted from my Saving Star video, if you guys added that to your account, $1.50 rebate from Saving Star. You guys would just get this for 53-cent moneymaker, so absolutely free, plus you guys make a profit. So, a lot of you guys message me or ask me questions. Saving Star, you're not technically supposed to use a coupon. Yeah, sometimes you can and sometimes you can't, but my receipts are usually a lot of items, and I submit my receipt anyway. What they're going to do is you deny you. Just do it. Just submit it, and they'll deny you if you guys don't qualify. But just letting you guys know, I usually buy a ton of stuff, so that's why I always get approved. If you go to the store just to buy one item, most likely you're going to get denied. But for 53-cent moneymaker, can't go wrong with that. I ended up doing the Playtex deal. Now this was $3.97. You guys wanted to use a $1 off coupon that was on coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.97 for this, but then you guys can get a $1 back rebate on Ibotta and a $1 rebate on checkout 51, coming to be 97 cents. Now there's a deal on checkout 51 where if you buy 2 of the feminine products, you get a 25-cent bonus. So I also qualified for that. So 97 cents for those. Now, if you guys are doing the Carefree, make sure you guys scan the items because when I was doing this deal last week, some of the deals did not work, so I just was scanning them. And if you guys did buy the right product and you're scanning and it doesn't work, email them and they'll give you guys the credit. They'll fix it. Give them the UPC that's saying it's not working. They'll help you out. I've had to do that a couple times. So this was $2.97. I ended up printing a 50-cent off coupon from coupons.com, from the Carefree website. So I paid $2.47 for this. But this bad boy right here is $1 back from Ibotta, plus you get $1 back with checkout 51, making the final price for this just 47 cents. Plus you guys get that 25-cent bonus. Now there's also a bonus where if you guys buy this Carefree and a different Carefree, you guys get a $1 bonus. I did that last week, so if you guys want to know what that deal is, you can watch my past video. But you can't go wrong with super cheap feminine products. Now I also did the McCormick deal. Now by the time you guys do this deal, this might be done with because it ends on the 10th. It ends at 11:49. Like what? Like 11:49 is when the time ends. That's just kind of weird. But I ended up doing the McCormick deal where it says buy 3, you get $3. So the hot sauce is $1.18 and the mustard is $1.38. I decided to get all 3 of these because I can. So these were $3.74 altogether. You guys would end up getting $3 back with Ibotta, making the final price for this just 74 cents. If you guys divide it all by 3, it comes out to be $1/4 a piece, which I think $1/4 for hot sauce and mustard is a great deal. I ended up doing the McCormick's. Now, I do want to do this deal at Target, but my store does not carry this on hand, so I just do it at Walmart because I know they got it. But I ended up getting the Newman's Organic. This was $2.98. There's a $1 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys can also submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 98 cents. So I think for like dressing or whatever, I think that's a great deal with that. And then same deal with also the regular stuff. $2.98. You guys use that dollar off coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.98, but then you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. And I really like the ranch. Like, I used to be super picky on ranch, but now I'm like, I don't care. As long as it's cheap, I don't care. Now the easy freebie that you guys need to do, and I'm hoping this deal resets and resets and resets because I love free shampoo. So the L'Oreal Paris was $3.97. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying, I lost my spot. You guys would pay $3.94 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate, making it a 6-cent moneymaker. That deal can be done 3 times in one transaction, so definitely do this deal. I was pretty excited. I saw there was a $2 rebate because I was looking for if there's a rebate for CVS, and I saw, oh, there's a $2 rebate. I'm like, could I use it? And then it said Walmart only, and I'm like, oh, I wonder what I could do. So, can't go wrong with free shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I know. I could sing. I really can sing. I just don't feel like it. Got the Colgate mouthwash. This was $3.96. You guys want to print off a 75-cent off coupon from Colgate.com. You guys would just pay $3.21 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.21. Not the greatest deal, but I wanted to hit rebates, and some of you guys really want, you know, some certain items, so I like to show with you guys. I like to share with you guys as many items as I can get. Got the Bic Flex 5 razors. Now, I wish I did this deal more. I'm probably going to go back and do this more because I have a couple of those coupons. So, these were $5.97. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that we got in this past paper. You guys would end up paying $3.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $4 rebate on checkout 51, making it a 3-cent moneymaker. And that deal you can do up to 5 times. So if you guys are interested in free razors, go for it. And I always get the ones with the bonus. So, had to share with you guys on that. I'm super excited to do this deal because I want to start eating a little bit healthier. Ever since I had my miscarriage, I'm just like, okay, I need to start losing weight. I need to start eating a little bit healthier. So I'm really starting to try things, and I really want, you know, to try more things. But I ended up getting the Yoplait yogurt. Now, they are 60 cents a piece. I used a 50 cents off a 5 coupon that was available on coupons.com. I am not sure if there's a regular coupon out there for it. But you guys would pay $2.50. There's a deal on Ibotta for 75 cents off of 4. And there's a 50 cent off of 5 deal on Saving Star. So you guys would get all 5 of these for $1.25 or just 25 cents a piece. I ended up getting cherry snow cone. Like, that sounds so good. Pineapple cherry snow cone. I got cookies and cream. And then I got rainbow sherbet. So I'm pretty excited to try those new yogurts. I probably should eat one right now. And then the last deal, I think this is the last deal I got. Yeah, the last deal I got is the Gain fabric softener. These were $2.97. Now we have that 5 off of 3 coupon from the P&G. You guys would end up paying $3.91 for 3 of these, but then you guys will end up getting each one for $1.30, from $2.97 to $1.30. I think that's a pretty good deal. I've had so much laundry detergent. Why not get fabric softener? Fabric softener is a product that I don't get very often, so I was pretty excited to do this deal, and my store only had 3, which I was pretty excited for that I got that. But yes, that was my Walmart Ibotta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My total came to like $60, and I'm like, okay, let's see what I can get it after coupons. But it came after coupons. It came to $37.62. I ended up getting $17.25 back with Ibotta. I got $6 back with Checkout 51. I got $2 back with Saving Star. I had a was a grill and chill bonus for Ibotta. So I got a $2 bonus with that. I was 2 away from finishing level 3, which I'm fine with because it's only the 9th. It's the 9th already, and we still, a lot of you guys even said that you finished level 4 already, so good. But yeah, I got the grill and chill bonus for $2, plus I had the Checkout 51 25-cent bonus for the 2 feminine products. So if you guys add everything together, I paid $10.12 for 23 items. That comes out to be 44 cents a piece. So I'm not complaining at all when I can get all that stuff, 23 items for $10. I think that is a great deal. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm excited. I'm really hoping there's some really good rebates out there coming soon. I like to share with you guys as many deals as I can. I'm just putting my yogurt in the bag so I can bring it all upstairs and put it in the fridge. But yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Walmart Ibotta hauls. I do it every single Monday or Tuesday, depends on how I'm feeling. But yes, I like to share with you guys everything I can get. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.